Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today I'm going to take a look at this residential application. So what they have here is like a little entertainment area, fireplace, and then a seating area here that they're interested in warming up. And so let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do. I don't have all of the dimensions of the entire space, nor do I have like what the rest of this space looks like, so I'm going to go off of what I can right now, and let's just go ahead and get some of these dimensions that the client had spoke about. So what I have here is basically he said there was roughly a 12 by 12 space, so I'm going to utilize this window. He was interested in placing a heater above this window here, and I'm assuming this was the 12 by 12. I could be wrong, but what I've done here is mapped out the entire corner here. So I have this at 18, this opening here at roughly 9.5, and then this total distance roughly about 20 feet here. So you'll notice that there's some can lighting up here. There is a fan, and actually next to this can light there's a speaker here, so we need to be aware of those things. Now they wanted to have a heater up here, so I'm going to place the heater where I think they were anticipating placing the unit. This is a 6,000 watt unit. The height, I didn't get the height here. Let's go and check that out. So I have overall height of the ceiling about 12 feet high. This ledge here, or this edge here, I have at 11, so 1 foot drop. So yeah, the heater would be placed at 12 foot high over here. I think this is where they're looking at it. This couch here is slightly larger, I believe, in their photo, and it's possibly moved over, here slightly. I just tried to center it in front of the TV set here, which I actually think is a TV set. So let's see what we can do. Now if I put array on here, go and click that, this would be the footprint of a 6,000 watt unit at 12 feet off the ground. You can see that here we're just barely getting the corner of this half circle sofa here, and this chair here is barely even penetrated. So the ray is a light wave, and the light wave travels through space, and it will continue until it penetrates mass. The chairs, tables, floors, walls would be mass. And so yeah, you would feel some of this warmth. It's not the ideal amount of warmth, but it is something that you would feel. But the one issue I do have is placing it at 6 inches off this wall, and then using the standard 6-inch bracket. I'm not getting the complete clearance above the heater. You can see that this is a 30-degree tilt, and also the clearance below the heater, you can see that I'm barely penetrating here, and the same thing up here. You can see there's a larger section up here that's penetrating. So I need to move this heater down, and if I moved it down, let's just go with, let's say that's probably 5 inches there, then I'm okay on the ceiling, and I'm still need to move it a few inches off the wall. Let's go with 2 here. That looks about right, maybe 3. So that would be the best location for that. And then looking at the footprint again, you can see that the footprint still is just this corner here. Again, that this wall being 12 feet long. So what my recommendation might be would be a little bit different. Let's go ahead and turn this off here, and what I might do is take a couple of units. This is a 6,000 watt CD model. This is a 6,000 watt CD model. and I placed them approximately 18 inches away from the edge of the fan blade. I think it turns out to be like 9 feet center to center, and that's roughly where these lights are. You can see that this set of lights here, I think I have these lights at 10 foot center to center, but this is on the outside edge and this is on the inside edge of the light. And going with the clearances above, that's not an issue because with the heater straight down, we're not penetrating in any way. There's no wall on the edges. Also, sorry about that. Also, the clearance below, I'm meeting the 18-inch clearance on the edge, and same over here. And let's go ahead and look at the rays. I'm going to turn off the clearances. So with the rays, you can see I'm getting a really nice coverage. You might have to move this circular couch a little bit closer to the entertainment area here in order to get the complete coverage. I have the heaters basically centered in this space that I've calculated myself. I'm not sure what this true space is, but I have it at, like I said before, 20 and a half feet. So it's in the center of that 20 and a half feet. And well, actually technically I think I have it centered from here to this point here. So it may not be that 20 and a half feet there, but I would have to know that true dimension in order to really calculate it. But it's easy to move this, equipment. So if we were to just move it, a little bit over, more centralized with this fan, and then we're getting that coverage a little bit closer over here. And again, I don't know what the use of the space is over here, but maybe that would help out for other purposes. Alright, well, that's what I have for this particular application. I hope this has helped. If you're looking for some help with your outdoor heating needs, feel free to contact us. I'm Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Send us your information to support@patioheat.com, and we'd be happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.